Hi, I'm Donald Towns. You want to check out my studio? I'll take you around. Let's go.
This is when you first walk into my studio, the overall look. And to the right over here is some of my storage, my junky storage area. And a second computer station, a couple of paintings. This is my light box area I don't use quite as often these days. This is my larger painting station. And as we continue around, some of the paintings on the wall, some animation paintings, and Bucaro, Blackshear, Waterhouse. And this is the desk to the right as you walk around. My bookshelf back there. Hoffman, animation painting. Another animation painting. This is my second workstation, or actually a couple of workstations, gouache and oil base. I'm working on a painting for our local Tehachapi Hospital, looking at our Tehachapi Mountains, and my small painting workstation, and my computer station where I do digital painting for clients. And that's a look over my desk. And here is my digital recording area. And as I walk out the studio, looking back the opposite direction, a couple of animation characters, and some storage spots for paintings. I have to build myself a better storage area somehow. That's looking back towards where we entered.
One of the things I love about being creative is that it has a spiritual component for me. It's sort of like searching for hidden treasure. And the reason why I see it that way is because there's a passage that says every good gift and every perfect gift is from above and coming down from the Father of lights, in whom there's no variableness nor shadow of turning. In looking for that treasure, each time I express a painting or a drawing, it's discovering there's a mother lode out there somewhere, and I see glimpses of it every time I paint, and it's like I'm getting closer and closer to that mother lode, or to the understanding the person that gave me the gift to begin with. So I grow by expressing it. I get more closer to the glory of what that is. And even though I feel like I'm falling short, but every point in which you create becomes an additional element that brings you closer to the bigger discovery. And that's the joy of painting. I love light. I love shadows. I love the intricacies of helping it come together, even though it can be frustrating sometimes, but still trying to discover it becomes an absolute joy for me. Hey guys, thanks for the visit.